Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking a clear niche and registering a memorable domain. This makes your content findable and consistent. Next, choose hosting and install a CMS so you can publish immediately. Once done, add core plugins for SEO, image optimization, and caching to speed pages. These improve visibility and user experience. Make sure to set mobile responsiveness and basic analytics in the first session so you can track performance from day one and iterate quickly. You now focus on production systems to deliver repeatable, high-quality posts. Start by building an editorial calendar with recurring themes and targeted keywords so you can batch tasks. Then standardize recipe templates that include precise measurements, alt text, and step timing to reduce edits. Once scheduled, batch cook and batch photograph to save hours. Make sure to optimize images and metadata before upload so pages load fast and rank better. This process scales your output without sacrificing quality. You finish by launching with an email to subscribers and coordinated social posts. Test one paid promotion to learn acquisition costs. Once live, monitor traffic, conversions, and which posts retain readers so you can double down on winners. If growth stalls, diagnose common problems. Slow pages, unclear calls to action, or weak imagery, fix those first. A key troubleshooting tip: when posts underperform, rewrite the headline and first paragraph. Update photos and re-promote to recover traffic quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.